Assalamualaikum. In the previous video I gave a lecture on introduction to linked list. In this video we'll try to implement linked list. Before going to the implementation, I just want to remind you the definition of linked list. Linked list is nothing but a collection of data elements by which you can keep each data in a different block of memory within the same structure. So at first you have to declare a structure and to give the name of that structure node, and inside of this structure there is just only one pointer because this is a single linked list, and to give the name of that pointer next. So what will be the type of this pointer? This pointer will point the same node, so the type will be node. You know that our program starts to execute from main function. So inside of the main function I want to call a function named createHead. So I have to give the prototype of this function. So inside of this head we have to keep request to the memory for a space of this node, and to use a function named malloc where we have to give the size of this node. Malloc function is undefined, so we have to include the header file of this malloc function, which is streetlib.h. Okay, this malloc function will keep request to the memory for space at runtime, and the memory will return a pointer from here. So to catch that pointer, at this time I have to cast inside of the node I am to keep a character that is supposed to say I am to take input that character. Here you can see that the scanf is undefined, so we have to include the studio.h. Okay. So what will be the temp next? Here you can see that we are creating head, and this temp is going to be head, what is nothing but the tail first time, and the pointer field of tail points to null in a linked list. So here we have to write null. Now we can assign the address of pointer inside of head, because you know that linked list is represented by a head. Okay, here we can print the data field of head. Head data. Okay, head has been created, and inside of data field of head there is a character k. Now I am to insert a node before head. So insert before head. I have to give the prototype of this function. Okay. And to ask to the user how much character he want to insert before head. And to give a message. So whenever we will try to insert a node before head, each time we have to keep request to the memory. So I am using temp each time, and temp data equals to C what I take input from user. And what will be the temp next? Temp next will be head, because I am inserting the node before head, and after that head must have to be changed by this new temp, that means by this new head. While n is greater than 0, okay. Now I want to print here all of the nodes, and to call printData function. I have to give the prototype of this print function. Okay. Inside of the print function, and to assign the address of head, and to print while the address of temp not equals to null. Temp data, and then I will change the temp. That means I want to go to the front of temp. Okay. Run it. At first I want to create head. How much character I want to insert before head? 5 characters. What happened? Okay. Sorry. createHead, how much character? 5. Okay. Very good. So at first I created head, and then I inserted 5 characters before head, and then I printed all of the nodes. Thank you so much, and see the next video.